Indeed.
So,
all right, so we're watching these pop-up storms around the area, and what else is going down?
You know, we've got a cool, cloudy, wet weekend in parts of the area. Not going to be wet the whole weekend, but we'll be dodging showers. And then, of course, we've got to talk about Hurricane Florence.
Right.
It's now a tropical storm, will become a hurricane again. Let's take a look outside right now. We'll start you off in Spring Garden where it is raining. We've got some pretty heavy pop-up showers and storms moving through. They're not everywhere, but like we said at 4 o'clock, if you were watching, hope you were, if you get stuck under one of these storms, one of these showers, they will drench you and drench you quickly. So they're not everywhere, but they're not moving very quickly, and that's why we've got these intense downpours. The city getting in on that action right now. There's a look at Spring Garden and Broad Street, the intersection there, and it's looking a little slow. Checking in with our Eyewitness Weather Watchers, they've got temperatures across the Weather Watcher map in the 70s. It's 78 degrees just to the north of Philadelphia as we check in with Phil. He's up in Chestnut Hill, 78 with some clouds there. 83 as we move slightly east to Allen's house in Delran. Delran just got drenched with heavy thunderstorms rolling through there. Down in Wilmington, it's 86 degrees in Marshallton as we check in with Greg McCoy, 86 with just some clouds. But I love this shot showing just how ominous this afternoon has been looking for areas across the region. Barbara said those clouds do not look very friendly here over Upper Moreland. They do not. That cloud looks like it's just about to be wrung out like a sponge. And if you get trapped again under one of these downpours, it is going to soak you through and through. A look at Storm Scan 3 shows what we're talking about. Again, these storms are not everywhere. And as of right now, not much in the severe category. Still a severe thunderstorm warning in portions of Kent County, Delaware. But other than that, we're mainly looking at heavy rain, and also there's been a lot of lightning with these storms, especially to the south. You can see down across portions of Cape May County. So actually, they just canceled that severe thunderstorm warning. The storm has weakened as it's moved north of Dover. But take a look at Cape May Point, West Cape May, getting soaked right now. The city also getting soaked, but we've got another storm firing up near my hometown of Phoenixville, right up around Norristown, north of there into portions of Montgomery County up around Lansdale. 476, the northeast extension, getting a bit of a drenching right now, and there's that storm just pushing south of Delran. But the heaviest right now over southern Cape May County. Lots of rain, lots of lightning, and that's impacting Lewis, Delaware as well. This is all along our stalled front, which is finally going to push further south tomorrow. That'll allow an east wind to pick up, and that east wind is going to keep us cool and a bit damp for tomorrow. Tomorrow's not a washout, but scattered showers, mostly cloudy skies. A new low then develops Sunday. Sunday starts with just a few showers, but then as we go through the day, some heavier rain will start to work its way in. So it's an east wind that equals cool and cloudy conditions. Shower Saturday, rain arrives Sunday. Sunday stays in the 60s all day. So we've gone from 95 to possibly 65, about a 30-degree drop in the mercury from Thursday to Sunday. Big changes on the way. Overnight, it's cloudy and humid. A few showers and thunderstorms still around. They will weaken once the sun goes down. Tomorrow, mostly cloudy and cooler with a shower. There may be some breaks of blue sky as well. Again, I don't think it's a washout, but it's not the best day to be out and about. Not a great beach day either. Tropical satellite shows Tropical Storm Florence. It's starting to get a little bit stronger once again. You can see the center of that storm kind of blowing back up again. As we zoom to the east quickly, or to the east, I should say, across portions of Africa, Western Africa, we're seeing these waves come out. 90% chance of development with that one, and this is potential tropical cyclone number 8. Near Cape Verde. So the tropics are hot, but it's Florence we're really watching. Take a look at some of our hurricane models starting to come into a little bit better agreement that Florence is going to take a bit of a more southerly track. The storm strengthening, that will keep it south. And as of now, especially the mid-Atlantic down through the southeast coast looks to be have the greatest likelihood of being impacted by Florence, especially because look at the water temperatures, 80 to 90 degree ocean water there. Even in our area, ocean water temperatures are in the 80s. So still way too early to tell you where that storm is going to go, but the East Coast, the entire East Coast, needs to be on notice for late next week. A cool, cloudy weekend, warming up early next week. We've got highs back in the upper 80s Tuesday and Wednesday with a chance for a storm each day. Yuki and Natasha, back to you.
Okay, thank you.